So, how are you
Hi.
feeling today? Are you excited going back to the Philippines?
Yeah, I'm excited, but first I'm hungry. I will eat later there. And I am looking forward to see my mama and papa and ate and kuya and everyone in my
Yes.
family.
So when are you?
But actually, I'm a bit stressed
Why? Why are you
because
stressed?
I am not yet submitting the final paper. So
I
in
think
God's grace, I will finish.
I think you can do it. You can submit it later tonight.
Yeah,
So when are you coming back here in Gyeongsan?
in January, 3rd week.
Oh, so you'll be staying there for a month.
Yeah, a month long.
Oh, okay.
See you everyone next year.
So any message for the people you love here?
Guys, don't miss me so much. I'll be back soon. Just let me enjoy my time with my family and we will hang out when I come back.
Pasalubong ah.
Ay.
Love.
Hi guys. So, today is December 19 and actually it's December 20 already because madaling araw na. I am preparing my luggage kasi tomorrow ng madaling araw ang flight ko. I'm going back to the Philippines at hindi alam ni Mama. So, I'm so excited. Ngayon, nagpapak na ako at hindi ko alam kung paano ko pagkakasyahin itong mga pinagbibili ko. So, I have here, Happy New Year! So, I am very advanced person. So, kung may problema yung isa, at least meron akong backup. I also have this kasi mag-birthday na yung pamangkin ko, 5 years old. And I have this crown para sa usahin. So, magpapak na ako ngayon. Hindi ako nagulit. So, here is my luggage. Hindi ko alam kung paano magkakasya dyan ang mga nagagagawa ko sa buhay. Pero, let's see how can we manage all of this. Ito yung dala kong maleta papunta dito sa South Korea. Ang cons lang nito is, yung maleta pa lang is parang nasa 3 kilo na. So, sayang yung space or sayang yung bigat. Pero ngayon kasi meron pa akong remaining 7 kg. So, kung magagamit ko naman yung 4 kg pa, then ito na lang gamitin natin. Bahala na pagpapalik ng Korea if magdalagdag na lang ako ng kilograms. Okay. Oh my God, guys, I canceled the idea kasi 6 kg pala yun, maleta na yun. Sobrang laki and mabigat. So, i-pull pa ko na lang tong mas maliit. I-make sure ko na lang na magamit lahat ng space. So, let's go. Let's do it again. Parang oras na. Gusto ko na matulog. Let's try again, guys. Siniksik ko na dito yung mga ibang ano. Let's see. And it's 16.40. Ito na yung maximum na kaya ko ilagay dito. So, I think andito na rin lahat ng kailangan ko. This is the hand carry or the carry-on luggage. Oh, just right. It's 6 and 17. So this is good. Finally. Luggage are ready and here is the maghahatid. Parang pagod na pagod ah. Maaga ka ba nagising?
Maaga. Umaga na tulog, maaga nagising.
Perfect.
Ang tagal naman.
POV. May mga supportive kang kaibigan.
Pangit. Ang pangit namin.
Ang dami ng videographer.
POV. May mga supportive kang kaibigan.
Isa mo na. Late ka na, boy.
Automatic man yan. 안녕하세요. Ingat. Hi. Excited na ba kayong umuwi ng Pinas?
Ito lang yung maganda.
See you next year, Yeongnam-dae. Wait naman ang mga kaibigan ko. Sila nagdala ng luggage ko. We're here. So, sasakay kami papuntang Dongdaeguo kasi doon magagaling yung bus ko. Dito, te! Maaga sila gumising, like me. Ingay naman ni Ate Isa. May dala si Tatay Rosary. So, we're here at Dongdaeguo. Guys, I received this from Manda. Thank you so much. See you next year. Ah. Stopover kami here sa Octon. Mag-CR lang ako. And I didn't realize umuulan pala. I have to run. Girl, it's raining, girl. Let's come back to the bus. Sigaw na naman ako. 이치가라요? 감사합니다. 진짜요? 괜찮아요. 감사합니다. Grabe, tutulungan niya pa daw ako. Sabi ko, okay na ako. Ang bait niya. Kasi hindi ko nakikita yung station kung saan ako sasakay. Nai-stress ako. Tapos nakasmile siya sa akin. Thank you, Lord. Trying to keep my luggage pero wala nang storage room or storage box. Kaya, imbis na akong pumunta sa friend ko sa Yonsei, siya na lang pupunta dito sa Seoul Station. I am waiting for Lisa now. She will arrive after 20 minutes. Here she is.
I'm here to have really late lunch with her.
Let's go. And then I was trying to understand the context. There are some I can understand, but the problem is I don't know the terminologies in Korean. Yeah, that's why people are out. Actually, last night in Yeongnam-dae, the university students are all out because knas어. 기억나? Wow. Oh, really? I didn't remember. Oh, it's just me. It's just me that's forgetful. It's different. Are the menus? Oh, 맛있겠다. Hi. Hi. We're just done eating and we're now heading to Daiso, and later on we will go to coffee shop. But you are leaving soon.
It's okay. I like her. I like Tani and
Me?
Tani and
Just
really
me?
fun.
Just me? Hello, we're done. Let's go to the coffee shop. I bought some. I like this. Yeah. Say it again.
She wants yuja juice.
Oh, but the tatatango, please.
Your harmony.
So we're buying coffee here, and we will drink it inside the station. 나왔어요. 맞아. 고마워. I'm not in a hurry.
확인 버튼을 눌러주십시오.
잠깐만.
구매 방식을
잠깐만.
You're so good.
Can you teach me Filipino?
문ting paalala?
뭐?
문ting paalala?
바나나?
어떡해. 어이구. Fighting in the US and the other things.
언니도.
고마워.
I'm gonna post a story.
It's so cute.
한다? 올린다?
Say hi to my mom.
잠깐. Hi to your mom? Your mom? Because I'm Korean.
어머가 한국인 아니에요. 그냥
Because I'm Korean.
hello po.
Hello. What's her name?
Hello po.
Hello, po.
Po is 높임말. Later when you are leaving. If you want it, take it. Time to go na. Oigo.
I don't wanna go. I don't wanna leave.
But you need to go to the US, right? Your English is very good, guys, right? Fighting, fighting! I'll come back. Let's meet in the
Tell me when you get to the airport. Text me if you get lost.
No, don't think about that. I won't be lost. I can't be lost because I only have one ticket. Here.
Bye.
I'm so tired and sleepy. I'm going to the airport now. But the check-in time will be 11 p.m. So, ang dami ko pang oras. Ipapasa ko muna yung kwachi ko. Then, check-in ako after. Sabi, ang bookcheck naman ng map. We're here. We're here. Finally, we're here at Terminal 1 of Incheon. So, mag-check-in ako around 11 p.m. pa. Ang dami kong time. So, I'm gonna find a coffee shop muna para maipasa yung mga assignments ko or the final paper. Try, how many kilo is this? So, same naman pala siya dun sa kilohan ko. So, it's accurate. 아, 저기요. 혹시 커피숍 어디 있어요?
커피요?
커피숍이요.
아, 던킨 저기 커피고요.
아, 네. 매장도 가능해요?
아, 앉아서 드실 때
아, 네네네.
이쪽에 파리바게트도 있고 F 쪽에.
아,
그다음에 B
바리바게트.
쪽에는 공차 있고요.
공짜요? 아,
네.
감사합니다.
안쪽으로 가시면 이렇게 있어요.
네. Ganda din pala ng uniform ng Jeju Air. We're here at Angel in Us. Guys, tinapos ko pa yung project ko or yung final paper. Yan. Lalabas pa yan sila porque wala ako. Let's go! So, the counter is M27 to M34. Ang daming tao. Late na ako. Checking in. So, natatakot pa ako kasi baka ma-deny yung personal bag ko kasi ang daming nakalagay. Pero today, merong free check-in. Kaya pati yung dala kong carry-on is pina-check-in ko na para isang bag lang yung dala ko. Immigration na tayo. Walang masyadong tao kasi madaling araw na dito. We're all done with the security check. So, pupunta na ako ngayon sa gate number 110. Ay, go! After 4 hours, I'm in the Philippines. Gusto ko na kumain ng Jollibee. Mamadali na sila. Kailangan madali. Shit, magsasara na yata. Okay, next train na lang. Yan na, nagmamadali eh. Baka malaglag ako sa hagdan eh.
주십시오. 다음 정차역은 탑승동입니다. Train departing. Please hold on.
Okay, 110. Magta, 110. Time check, 12:55 p. Oh, no. Time check is 12:54 a.m. Nagugutom ako. I want to eat something. So, I'm gonna check here kung anong pwedeng makain. Kasi ang lapag ko pa sa Manila is 5:40 a.m. Almost 6 a.m. So, feeling ko hindi ko kaya. Hindi kaya ng tiyan ko. Kasi yung huling kain ko is around 9. Ang coffee shop. Tingnan natin kung ano pwede kong makain. I think this one. Ham cheese. Toast. Hana. 그리고 뭔가 있어. 스나크. Kalimutan ko palang itanong kung pojang to or medang. 어떡해. 아. 저기요. 혹시 이거 포장 매장?
네?
혹시
왜요?
이거 포장해도 돼요?
포장으로 드릴 거예요.
네. 감사합니다. haba ng pila. We're ready to board. So I guess we are using the bigger plane of Cebu Pacific.
The highest standards for safety in the global airline industry.